Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title of this video, today I will be doing my updated flawless foundation routine. And as always, all the products I use in this video will be listed in the description box below. And to start off with, as you saw, I will be using my Morphe brow cream in the shade Mocha. And I did do my brows off camera. After that, I went in with my Aveeno-absolutely ageless daily moisturizer that also has SPF 30 in it. And then I went into my Faced-hangover replenishing face primer. And after that, I'm just applying my poreless face primer from Ulta Beauty. And for foundation today, I will be using Juvias Place-stick foundation in the shade Namibia. I think that's how you pronounce it. Right now, I'm just pushing the foundation into my skin, then buffing it out. I hope you guys are having a great start to the new year, and I hope you all were safe during New Year's Eve. I pray that you guys' year is full of blessings and prosperity, and that all your dreams or goals you have set for yourself, you are able to achieve. Do you guys have any New Year's resolutions? If you do, please let me hear about them in the comment section below. I know me personally, I don't really have any resolutions for the new year. I just want to get better and get more consistent with the things that I'm doing in my life and just improve as a person. Yeah, so that's about it for me. Next, I will be using my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Chestnut to conceal under my eyes, my cupid's bow, my chin, my nose, and my forehead. And just to brighten up the concealer under my eyes a bit, I will be applying my Tarte-shape tape concealer in the shade Tan Deep Sand. And for contour, I'll be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills-stick foundation in the shade Ebony. And I'll be contouring my jawline, my cheekbones, my nose, and my forehead. And now I'm just going to blend everything out. And these days I have been using my Real Techniques buffing brush a lot to blend out my foundation, and my concealer and my contour, because I find that I get a smoother and nicer finish. But I'm sure I'll be using my beauty blenders sometime soon. But as of right now, I'm really liking the finish I'm getting using my buffing brush. And I'm sorry guys if I sound kind of bad. I'm just getting over like a mini cold situation where my throat was sore and everything, and now it seems like my sinuses are messing up, so just bear with me. But right now I'm just going to add a little bit more contour to my nose, since I kind of lost it when I was blending out my concealer, and then I'm just going to blend out my contour. Now to set my concealer today, I will be using my favorite, my Fenty Beauty-pro Filter Mini Instant Retouch Setting Powder in the shade Cashew. And I'm just going to apply that everywhere I put my concealer. Also, I will be applying some setting powder around my mouth where my smile lines are, because I do notice a little bit of creasing in that area. Now I'm applying a little bit of setting powder underneath my contour just to define it a little bit. Next, I'm just going to be blending out that setting powder. Now to set my face, I will be using my Too Faced Prom Set Refresh Hangover 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray. And here is the final look, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video and that you actually learned something from it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video if you would like. And I will see you all real soon in my next video. Bye, guys.